How to deactivate your Instagram account. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once Instagram opens up, tap on your profile image in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the Settings. In the Settings and Activity menu, tap on Account Center. Now, in the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account you want to deactivate. On this page, there are two options, and you can understand from their names. You can deactivate your account by selecting the first option or permanently delete it with the second one. I will select the first option to deactivate account temporarily and tap on Continue. For security purposes, you will be asked to re-enter your password. Once you enter your password, tap on Continue, and that's it. Your account will be deactivated temporarily. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.